How this saddle will change cycling. As traditional bicycle saddles can be painful, this innovative saddle has a split-seat design that moves in sync with your pedaling motion, ensuring maximum comfort and effectively reducing pressure on your seat bones. Would you try this saddle? This headphone is a solution for hearing problems, as over 30 million Americans are affected by hearing loss from impacted earwax. With just a click of a button, this automatic ear cleaning device uses irrigation and microsuction technology to quickly and safely break down and remove impacted earwax, because we all have that one friend who needs this.
There it is.
In China, they invented this genius laser gun that removes rust from everywhere, as this fiber laser cleaning machine boasts over 1,000 watts, enabling its continuous wave fiber laser to effortlessly eliminate rust, paint, and oil from various surfaces. But it's so precise that it can even clean your phone. You don't have to go to the hospital anymore because of this genius stitch invention, as Zip Stitch works the same way that stitch is done by a doctor, but is 8 times stronger than the original stitches. So now you can treat the wound at home and be the doctor on your own, because we all hate to go to the hospital, right? Why does this toilet flood so much? So in the Netherlands, they have self-cleaning toilets. When the user has finished, the toilet starts to clean itself. As a rotating system, ensure that one of the bowls is always clean. And the best part is that these toilets have a full no-touch experience. But don't still pee on the floor, though. This genius barrier will save lives. In Norway, they developed a barrier that halts the flood, and now this barrier is deployed in front of the Tampa General Hospital. As floods can cause extensive damage to important buildings, this quickly deployed flood wall provides effective protection, but can also serve as a water divider on construction or maintenance sites. If this robot rolls towards you, you have no chance to escape. This tire-looking police has started patrolling the streets of China and is designed to replace the police in dangerous situations, as it's equipped with net guns and tear gas. It can withstand shocks of up to 4 tons and travel at 22 miles per hour over rough terrain, making it highly effective at stopping criminals. What if we had an extra finger? As human fingers have limited mobility, the third thumb demonstrates how much easier it would be to pick up things with an additional finger. So it's operated with pressure sensors under a person's feet and is designed to expand a person's motor abilities and increase their capacity to carry things. But would you try it? This device will save your life. In China, they invented an automatic choking rescue device, as the device expels air from its sides, creating a vacuum that sucks the object from the airway. So all you have to do is simply press the button, which makes it perfect for children. This device is the solution to people's worst fear, as up to 40% of the population is afraid of needles, but this company developed a solution with needle-free injection, where a laser heats the liquid, creating a microbubble that rapidly expands and propels a thin jet through the skin. So the jet is thinner than a strand of hair, causing no pain or damage to the skin. In Thailand, balls were invented with a unique purpose. As this innovative device is thrown directly into a fire, the automatic firefighting ball releases non-toxic extinguishing agents that effectively extinguish fires within a 3 cubic meter radius. But it can also automatically detect fire and activate within 3 seconds upon contact with fire. In China, they invented this genius chair for elderly people. At first, they used this remote-controlled bed to make the patient sit up, allowing them to transfer the patient into the chair easily. With its user-friendly functions, the chair makes visits to the toilet effortless for both patients and nurses. In China, they found an incredible solution for timbers, as making logs with an axe can be exhausting. Simply placing the timber on a rotating cone-shaped axle forces the wood against the cone's edge and effortlessly splits it in half.
Would you use a device that allows you to perform health checks without visiting the hospital? The Beam-O device, produced by Withings, enables various health checks at home. It can measure body temperature, perform electrocardiograms, check blood oxygen levels, and function as a stethoscope. Beam-O is equipped with PPG sensors, electrodes, and a digital stethoscope. It also features a piezoelectric disc, which operates based on the working principle of electronic stethoscopes. This disc converts sounds from the chest or back into electrical signals, making them readable.
This is called the Kneel It. I ordered it last week after trying a similar product on the job site that one of the other contractors had. I ordered this one because you're able to actually move your knees around as you're in the device, and I found it a lot more comfortable. The seat clips on super easy. When you actually sit down on the seat, it prevents it from moving around, but when you lift up, you're able to roll and spin freely. So I'm very happy with this purchase.
Standard sweeping with an unplugged broom can be tedious and repetitive, but a power broom can direct your effort precisely and make short work of the task. What's more, everybody else will probably want to try it out.